If you've ever wasted time searching for a clip, re-downloading the wrong file, or opening an edit just to realize your footage is scattered across 6 drives, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down how to organize video assets like a pro, the exact folder structure and workflow that production teams use to stay efficient, collaborative, and sane. Whether you're a solo creator or managing a post-production team, a solid file organization system is what separates chaos from flow. Now let's be honest, messy file management kills creativity. When projects live across hard drives, cloud folders, and random desktops, you waste hours hunting for footage, relinking files, or accidentally using outdated versions. And then when it's time to hand off to another editor, chaos multiplies. Missing proxies, broken links, duplicated media. That is why a consistent, reliable system for organizing your video files for editing is essential. The best editors do not organize after the fact. They build organization into their workflow from day one. It's about creating a repeatable folder structure for video editing that you can duplicate for every new project. And once you have that template, staying organized becomes automatic, and your future self will thank you. Step 1, create a master folder template. Start by building a master project folder you'll duplicate for every new edit. Here's a simple structure that most pros use. You've got your project name, footage, camera A, camera B, and drone. Audio with music, voiceover, and sound effects. Assets that hold your graphics, logo, templates. Project files like for Premiere and Resolve. And finally, your exports for both review and final cuts. And a pro tip, keep numbers in front of those folders so they sort automatically. Step 2, organize your video footage. When importing footage, always rename cards and folders before they hit your NLE. Use a consistent naming convention. Something like this that you can repurpose across all footage. This helps you instantly know which camera, scene, and take you're dealing with. And don't skip metadata. Tagging shots by location or type will save you tons of time during edit selects. Step 3, manage versions like a pro. Keep your project files clean by using version numbers and saving incrementally. Something like project name VO1, project name VO2, and so on. And never name something final, because we all know there's always another final. This versioning approach ensures you can roll back instantly without overwriting your progress. Step 4, use smart proxies and cache locations. Proxies and cache files can quickly clutter your system. Set a dedicated folder to proxy media and another for cache or preview renders inside your master folder. That way, when you archive or hand off the project, you know exactly what to keep and what to delete. This is also where a smart video file management strategy saves space and ensures fast playback. Step 5, collaborate without chaos. If you're working with others, you need a shared location that everyone can access without duplicate downloads. Whether you're using a local server, NAS, or cloud storage, consistency matters. For distributed teams, tools like LucidLink help by streaming shared media directly to everyone's timeline. No syncing or relinking. It keeps your video project files organized in one place, even when your team is spread across cities or time zones. Step 6, archive for the future. Once a project is complete, consolidate everything into a single folder and archive it to long-term storage. And when you do so, always include the final export, the project file, essential assets like graphics or fonts. This way, if a client calls you 6 months later asking for changes, you're not starting from scratch. So that is how to organize video assets from start to finish, from folder structure to versioning and collaboration. When your projects are consistent and easy to navigate, editing becomes faster, clients are happier, and your brain has more room to focus on the creative. If this helped you clean up your workflow, hit subscribe for more editing and post-production guides. And remember, a clear structure today saves the chaos from tomorrow.